Hello everyone, John Stahl here with Next Generation Systems. Today I'm demonstrating the Dura-Fix dual cartridge dispensing material and the dispensing gun. You can see it comes in a dual cartridge dispensing system. Yes, it does require a special dispensing gun that you can get from us. There are also other companies that sell these types of material, these types of guns. You simply place the Dura-Fix in the dispensing gun, unscrew the cap, pull off the little plug that separates the A and the B, and there you can see the A and the B there. Now, one important step is as you squeeze out your first initial material, you want to make sure that both A and B are coming out evenly. And here you can see that there's more part B than there is part A coming out. So I'm going to put that down and then start dispensing out the material that I need. If you're doing a large repair, you don't have to be too concerned about getting the mixing ratio accurate. But if you're only doing a very small amount, you want to make sure that both the A and the B are coming out evenly. So now you can put the cap back on, you wipe the excess off, put the cap back on, and that will store for well over a year, sealed up like that, 2 years once it's unopened. And then take a nice putty knife. I like using just some throwaway cardboard. We all have extra cardboard laying around these days. Seems to make a pretty good surface for mixing on, and then obviously you just throw it out when you're finished. It takes about 30 seconds or so to give it a good thorough mix. That way you're clear as to both parts A and B mixing up completely and thoroughly. And then I also like to just take one knife as a hawk and mix it again, because sometimes there's a little bit of unmixed material lingering out on the knife. So here we have the Dura-Fix, and you can see the consistency. It won't slump or sag. Even on a vertical surface, it can be sculpted right into position. Without any need to dress the knife with any sort of other materials, the Dura-Fix will stay right where it is until it sets up. So this is the cold weather formula I'm demonstrating today. With the cold weather formula, it's meant to be used in colder temperatures so that it will cure as fast as the slow cure material does in warm weather. So this material, all things being equal, the cold weather material will cure a little faster. So thanks for watching. This is Dura-Fix Cold Weather. I'm John Stahl with Next Generation Systems.